We focused on all of the good that connecting people can do. One of the things that Facebook does is it makes it really easy to just stay in touch with all these people.
Twitter enables them to take a $5 cell phone and wherever they are, communicate with the world for free.
No civil discourse, no cooperation, misinformation, mistruth.
TikTok for young people is as addictive as heroin.
And you don't care that much about censorship, then you can really let go of a lot of people, it turns out.
If you wanted, from what you said, to spread a lie halfway around the world before the truth got out, Twitter would be a pretty good medium to use to do it.
UN investigators found that Facebook played a leading role in the alleged genocide.
Climate change-related misinformation has skyrocketed.
You've got smile, jaw, and width. So if you go with smile, first of all.
Facebook knows that they are leading young users to anorexia.
Racial slurs against black people have trebled.
I think my sister is her husband's property, yes.
We were normal, good, law-abiding citizens.
And depression in young people have actually risen over 70%.
Do you think you have a moral responsibility to run a platform that protects our democracy? Yes or no?
Curv is essentially trying to right all of the wrongs that other social networks have created.
We haven't just created Instagram with morals, we have fundamentally changed the designs and the infrastructure of the entire process. There are no likes, there are no followers, there are no echo chambers. In fact, I go as far to say that we have created the anti-echo chamber in Curv. And what's really powerful are the movements.
A movement is a shared space for you and your growing community. It's a place to progress your passion or cause by enabling others to get involved and take action. And what's powerful is that a movement can be about anything, from cooking to climate change, sport to social justice.
Our relationship with information is everything. And the problem is, most information now is filtered through social media, and people in general don't trust social media. So let's start with sources. We want to create a culture where leaving a source with every bit of information is encouraged and expected. Add to that the problems we've got with trolls, bots, bullying, and misinformation. We're going to add ID verification. And underpinning everything are a set of principles aligned to the values of our community.
On other platforms, you create a profile and share content in search of likes and follows. And the more emotionally addicted you are to that system, the more money they make by selling you personalized ads. That's the business model. Curv is not that.
And look, what we're proposing, it's not radical, it's just sensible, it's not advertising. So we're running a subscription model for which you'll be given the opportunity to support movements on the platform, movements that connect with you, that resonate with you. It empowers the people in our community, it enables them to generate revenue, but also it focuses our attention as a business. Our job is to mobilize movements.
So governance really is about achieving three things: trust, inclusivity, and transparency.
Freedom is a two-way street. Freedom is freedom to do stuff like freedom of speech, freedom of movement, absolutely, but it's also freedom from stuff. Things like freedom from violence, freedom from disinformation, freedom from exploitation. You see, I don't think you can have real freedom without real accountability.
And with that in mind, we're going to set up 5 advisory boards on AI, data and privacy, mental health, disinformation, and democracy. This kind of infrastructure will create trust, which is essential for people, society, and the planet. I mean, imagine a social network that's actually safe. Imagine a world where the messages you share aren't for you to gain approval, but to be part of something bigger than yourself. Imagine the impacts of creating a healthier information ecology where trusted sources rise to the top. Imagine a business model that finances the people making the biggest differences. And imagine a space where democracy and inclusivity stand taller than anything else. A space that states to the world, this is where we look after you, so you can look after others. Imagine the power of that.